Are rabbits and cats wreaking havoc on Australia's ecosystems? Strap in for a wild ride as we dive deep into the rabbit invasion that began with just 24 European rabbits in 1895, spiraling into a population explosion of 281 million and the subsequent battle to control their impact. But that's not all. We'll also uncover the silent predators prowling the outback, with an estimated 1.4 to 6.3 million feral cats causing chaos for native wildlife. Get ready to explore the dramatic saga of Australia's struggle against these invasive species. Welcome, adventurers, to a tale of ecological intrigue and survival down under. Picture this. It's the 19th century, and on a Christmas day in 1895, 24 European rabbits are released into the Australian wilderness for a bit of sport. Little did anyone know this seemingly innocent act would set off a chain reaction that would reshape the landscape of the continent forever. From those humble beginnings, the rabbit population exploded at an unprecedented rate, reaching a staggering 281 million, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. These furry invaders didn't just nibble on a few plants. They decimated crops, ravaged plant communities, and disrupted critical habitats, leading to soil erosion and biodiversity loss. And as if that wasn't enough, they outcompeted native species for resources, pushing many to the brink of extinction. To combat this onslaught, early efforts relied on traditional methods like mechanical barriers and bounty hunting. But as the rabbits proved resilient, scientists turned to more unconventional tactics, unleashing biological warfare with viruses like myxoma and RHDV1. Yet, with each new weapon, the rabbits adapted, prompting the development of even more potent strains like RHDV2. But our story doesn't end there. As Australia grappled with the rabbit invasion, another threat lurked in the shadows: the feral cat. With an estimated population of 1.4 to 6.3 million, these stealthy predators posed a significant danger to native wildlife, contributing to the extinction of numerous species and disrupting delicate ecosystems. A crisp Christmas day in 1895, when a handful of rabbits were unleashed into the wilds of Victoria. Little did anyone know, those furry creatures would soon multiply at an astonishing rate, spreading like wildfire across the Australian landscape. As the rabbit population soared to a staggering 281 million, their voracious appetite wreaked havoc on our agriculture and environment. Crops were devoured, plant communities decimated, and critical habitats left in ruins. The consequences were dire: soil erosion, biodiversity loss, and a relentless struggle for survival among native species. But fear not, for the resilient spirit of Australians refused to be quelled. From the dusty plains of the outback to the lush valleys of Tasmania, pioneers of conservation waged war against the rabbit invasion with every tool at their disposal. At first, it was a battle of brute force, mechanical barriers stretching for miles, the release of natural predators like European red foxes, and the relentless pursuit of bounty hunters armed with rifles and traps. But as the rabbits proved their adaptability, a new frontier emerged, the realm of biological warfare. Enter Myxoma and RHDV1, viruses unleashed upon the rabbit population with hopes of curbing their numbers. Yet, as the rabbits evolved, so too did our strategies. Chemical interventions like baiting, ripping, and fumigation became our weapons of choice in the fight for ecological balance. As our battle against the rabbit invasion raged on, we encountered formidable adversaries in the form of resistance and adaptation. But where there are challenges, there are also opportunities for growth and innovation. Enter RHDV2, a new viral strain born from the crucible of necessity, offering hope in our quest for effective rabbit control. But our efforts extend beyond the realm of viral warfare. Through integrated approaches like the rabbit recipe, we embrace the complexity of our ecosystem, leveraging chemical controls and habitat disruption to tip the scales in favor of native biodiversity. Yet, as we celebrate our victories on the battlefield of conservation, another threat looms on the horizon: the relentless advance of feral cats. With an estimated population of 1.4 to 6.3 million, these silent predators pose a grave danger to our native wildlife, fueling the fires of ecological imbalance and driving species to the brink of extinction. As our expedition through the Australian outback draws to a close, let us reflect on the profound lessons learned from our exploration of rabbit control and the challenges posed by feral cat invasions. From the humble beginnings of 24 European rabbits to the emergence of innovative solutions like RHDV2 and integrated pest management, the journey of conservation is a testament to the resilience of nature and the unwavering spirit of human ingenuity. But our work is far from over. As stewards of this magnificent planet, it is our duty to continue the fight for ecological balance, to protect and preserve the delicate web of life that sustains us all. So, I urge you, fellow adventurers, to join us in this noble endeavor. Like this video if you found it inspiring, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our future expeditions and discoveries. Together, let us embark on a journey of discovery, conservation, and appreciation for the wonders of our natural world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep advocating for a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Thank you for watching, and may the spirit of adventure guide you on your own quest for knowledge and enlightenment. Farewell, my friends, and happy exploring.